In this video, I will show you how to connect your Interactive Brokers account to TradingView. To get started, open your browser and go to TradingView. Once you are on TradingView, make sure you are logged into your account. After that, open any chart you want to use. You can open a stock chart, forex pair, index, crypto chart, or any other market available on TradingView. When the chart is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Trade. This will open the Broker Connection panel. Here, TradingView will show you a list of brokers that can be connected directly to the platform. Now look for Interactive Brokers. If you don't see it right away, use the search option and type Interactive Brokers. Once Interactive Brokers appears, click on it. Next, select Connect. TradingView will now open the Interactive Brokers login page. From here, enter your Interactive Brokers username and password. You may also need to complete two-factor authentication, depending on your account security settings. After logging in, follow the instructions on the screen and allow TradingView to connect with your Interactive Brokers account. Now wait a few moments for the connection to be authorized. Once everything is complete, your Interactive Brokers account should be linked to TradingView. You can now use TradingView to analyze charts, view your account, monitor positions, and place trades directly from the platform, depending on your account type and region. If the connection does not work, make sure your Interactive Brokers account is active, your login details are correct, and that broker connections are supported for your account. Also, before placing any trade, always check your order size, account balance, stop loss, take profit, and all order details carefully. And that's it. That's how you can connect Interactive Brokers to TradingView.